Good morning, students of class 5. This is a crash course video of chapter 3, countable and uncountable nouns. We had already studied the chapter, so it is just a crash video. So try to understand the things which we have not understood. So let us start with the video. So children, कॉमन नाउन्स आर आइदर काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल. कॉमन नाउन्स जो होते हैं वो आइदर काउंटेबल होते हैं या अनकाउंटेबल होते हैं. काउंटेबल नाउन्स कैन बी काउंटेड, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट वन, काउंटेबल नाउन्स. सो काउंटेबल नाउन्स हैव प्लूरल फॉर्म्स. जो भी काउंटेबल नाउन्स होंगे उनका दे विल हैव प्लूरल फॉर्म्स. एग्जाम्पल कैन्स, किड्स, काउज, हाउसेस. काउंटेबल नाउन्स जो होंगे वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में होंगे. ओके. सेकंड वन इज टेक आर्टिकल्स ए एंड और द बिफोर देम. हम लोगों ने आर्टिकल्स पढ़ा है. वी हैव स्टडीड आर्टिकल, सो इट कैरीज आर्टिकल्स बिफोर देम. व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ काउंटेबल नाउन जब भी प्रेजेंट होगा तो उसके पहले आर्टिकल्स होंगे. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ ब्रश, an orange, the man. A brush, an orange and the man. Okay. Next one is take words such as many, a few, a large number of before them. So take words such as many, a few, a large number of. ये जो वर्ड्स होता है उसके पहले आता है. कोई भी काउंटेबल नाउन्स होगा, इफ देयर विल बी एनी काउंटेबल नाउन्स, these words will come before them. Many apples, a few roses, a large number of bottles. एप्पल्स में बहुत सारे एप्पल्स हैं, पर बहुत सारे जब एप्पल्स होंगे तो उन्हें हम लोग मैनी एप्पल्स बोलेंगे. फ्यू रोजेस, a large number of bottles. तो these are the rules which comes in countable nouns. Now uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns don't have plural forms. Okay, so uncountable nouns होता है वो plural forms, they don't have plural forms. Example water, butter, salt. Uncountable nouns वो हुआ जिसे हम count नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so water, butter and salt are examples of that uncountable nouns. Few rules are there. Take only the definite articles the before them. So whenever there will be uncountable nouns, they will take only the. Okay, a and an will not be used here. The will be used. The article will be used before uncountable noun. Example, the juice we had. The milk is cold. Okay. The is article here. The juice we had. The milk is cold. Okay. So milk is not counted, but when we tell 1 liter of milk, then 1 liter of milk is counted. But जब हम milk की बात कर रहे हैं, that is not countable noun, that is uncountable noun. But when we say 1 glass of juice, it is countable noun. Next one, take words such as much, little, a large amount of before them. Which words come before them? Words such as much, little, a large amount of. Whenever uncountable nouns will come, it will take a words much, little and a large amount of before them. Example, much praise, little time, a large amount of money. Okay, these all are uncountable nouns. Much praise, praise को हम लोग count नहीं कर सकते. We can't count praise. That is uncountable noun. Little time, time is not counted. So that is uncountable nouns. A large amount of money, money is not counted. Money is uncountable noun, but rupees is countable noun. जब हम लोग rupees में बात करेंगे, money को 1 money, 2 money, 3 money we can't say, but we say rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 1000 rupees, crore rupees. So we don't. So rupees is countable noun, but money is uncountable noun. So children, both countable and uncountable nouns have the following in common. So there are some things which are common in both countable and uncountable nouns. Let us see what are they. So here, some and a lot before them. Some and a lot of comes before both countable and uncountable nouns. Some और and a lot of दोनों जो होता है वो countable nouns के साथ भी के पहले भी आता है and uncountable nouns के पहले भी आता है. Example, some bananas. Okay, bananas are countable nouns. Some comes before countable nouns. Some milk. Milk is uncountable. Some भी आ रहा है milk uncountable nouns के पहले. A lot of chocolates. Chocolates is countable. It comes, a lot of comes before countable nouns. And a lot of honey. Honey is uncountable noun. A lot of comes before uncountable nouns also. Alright. Any before them. Next one is any before them in questions and negatives. तो जब भी हम लोग questions, interrogative questions use करेंगे, then any comes before nouns. Okay? And negative questions. There are two types of assertive sentences, positive sentences and negative sentences. तो जब negative sentence आएगा, whenever negative sentences will come, it will before noun any will be used. All right? So example, do you have any paper? Do you have any paper? Paper के पहले any. Okay, paper come before paper, any is used here. Do you have any milk? Milk is uncountable. Any is used before milk. Do you have bulb? Do you have bulb? Bulb is countable nouns. तो both countable और uncountable nouns के पहले any का use होता है. When we are asking question, when we are in negatives also. Okay, there isn't any light. Okay, this is a negative sentence. There isn't any light. So there isn't any light. Any comes before light. Okay, children. So this was the chapter. The chapter is too easy, and it is very. I think you don't have any problem in understanding this chapter. So study at home sincerely. Pay attention towards your studies. And now there are few exercises I am giving. Exercise number 1. Underline the correct option. First one, any, many, much. Kites are flying in the sky. The right option is many kites are flying in the sky. Second one, I cannot eat this, any, many, much food. I cannot eat this much food. Third one, there isn't any milk. Fourth one, Ram has many crayons in his box. Fifth one, there are many stars in the sky. Exercise number 2, write C for countable and U for uncountable. It's too easy, children, too easy. So first one is television. We can count television. Television is countable nouns. Oil, we can't count oil. Okay, so this is uncountable. But sometimes we can say 1 bottle of oil, 1 liter of oil, 2 liter of oil. तो ये यहाँ पे countable होगा, पर यहाँ oil is uncountable. Third one, jam. Jam is uncountable. Cup is countable. And fifth one is shoe. Shoe is countable. Alright, children. So here the chapter is over. So write these answers in your notebook and study at home. Be safe. Thank you.